me that you are leaving. Then I go inside.
Okay, so is that we should give a promise that you are leaving, then you go inside? Can we say bye-bye to Mr. President-elect? Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, shall we go now?
Somebody who is sick?
Very fresh.
Eh? Eh? You jealous self. As you see me. Eh? So, whatever they like, they speculate. I'm healthy as sun, and I'm okay.
How prepared are you for May 29?
May 29 is not the calendar. The challenge ahead is beyond that. It's for all of us together. And we must be parents and stay focused. That is very, very important. Don't isolate one date. One date on the calendar doesn't mean anything. It's just an event.
People are already talking about your administration and what it will look like. Can you give us a glimpse into what you have in plan?
I can't. I've not consulted people yet. And administration, you said, is not run alone. You don't govern alone. You govern with people. You consult. Assemble. And then hit the ground running. And it's the same country, right? Isn't it? So,
Thank you very much. It's
yeah, okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.